In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an email list in Freshsales. Let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can easily manage your contacts in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. Once the website has loaded, it's time to log in. You'll want to make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your Freshsales account right away. If necessary, consider using a password manager to streamline this step. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu filled with various options. Locate the Contacts tab, which is represented by a person icon. Clicking this will direct you to the Contacts section of Freshsales, where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Contacts List View page, pay attention to the buttons available to you. Look for the Import Contacts button, which is crucial for this process. Go ahead and click it to start the import process. The next step is to choose your import source. You'll see an option to upload either a CSV or XLSX file. Usually, email lists are stored in one of these formats, making it pretty straightforward to get your data into Freshsales. Select the option that corresponds with your file type. To proceed, you'll need to upload your file from your computer. Simply click the appropriate button and navigate to the folder where your email list is stored. Select the file, and it will start uploading to Freshsales. Once your file is uploaded, you'll arrive at the field mapping screen. Now, this is a critical moment in the process. Field mapping is where you ensure that each column in your file is correctly linked to the corresponding fields in Freshsales. Take your time to review and verify that all the data aligns correctly. This will prevent any issues later on when accessing your contact information. After confirming the field mappings are accurate, it's time to move forward. Click the next button and prepare for the last step of the process. You'll hit Import Now, and just like that, you're done. Congratulations on uploading your email list into Freshsales successfully. By following these steps, you've efficiently managed to transfer your contacts, paving the way for smoother communication and better organization within your CRM system. Remember, these tools are here to simplify your work, so don't hesitate to explore other features Freshsales offers. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.